Meet our human. He's sitting at his desk, scrolling through his phone, a small smile on his face. Life feels normal until it doesn't. He sees a photo of an old friend on vacation, smiling on a beach, looking carefree, and his smile fades as he leans back slowly, phone still in hand. Why does everyone else's life look so much better than mine? He thinks, his shoulders slumping as he sets the phone down and stares at the ceiling. This feeling has a name: social comparison, and it's something almost every human being experiences, whether they admit it or not. He rubs his temples, thinking back to school, always comparing grades with classmates, measuring himself against someone else. He remembers his first job too, glancing sideways at a coworker's paycheck, wondering if he was falling behind. Comparison, it turns out, is wired into us. Our brains evolved to size ourselves up against a group because it once helped our ancestors survive. He nods slowly, starting to understand. Knowing where you stood in the tribe used to mean the difference between safety and danger. But today, the tribe isn't just the people around him, it's everyone, everywhere, all the time. And he holds up his phone again, looking uneasy. Social media shows him curated highlight reels, vacations, promotions, perfect meals, never the boring, hard, or messy parts of life. He's comparing his behind the scenes to everyone else's highlight reel, and no wonder he feels like he's losing. Then he sits up straighter, a new thought forming. Maybe the comparison itself isn't the enemy. Maybe it's what he does with it. There's upward comparison, looking at someone doing better, which can either inspire him or make him feel small. And there's downward comparison, looking at someone doing worse, which can offer comfort, but can also breed unhealthy pride. He scratches his head, curious which kind he's been doing most lately, pausing to really think about it. Slowly, he realizes it's not about stopping comparison completely. Humans probably can't. It's about choosing better questions. Instead of, why am I not there yet? He tries asking, what can I learn from this person's path? His posture softens. That one shift in the question changes how the same fact makes him feel. He picks up a notebook and pen and starts jotting down his own goals, not anyone else's, writing 3 things he's proud of this year. Small, but his. And a faint smile returns to his face. He glances at his phone one more time, but this time he doesn't spiral. He simply closes the app and sets it face down. He stands up, stretches, and looks out the window instead, present, grounded, breathing a little easier. Comparison will probably visit him again tomorrow, and that's okay. It's part of being human. But now he knows his job isn't to win against everyone else's highlight reel. It's just to keep becoming who he wants to be.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for getting more knowledge about human psychology.